Welcome to this peaceful sunset landscape painting. In this my artwork, I have tried to capture the quiet beauty of nature at the golden hour. The warm sunlight spreads across the sky, painting the clouds in soft shades of yellow, orange, and gold. The calm lake reflects the glowing sky, creating a soothing mirror of light and color. In the distance, gentle trees and soft mist add depth and serenity to the scene. On the shore, tall grass glows in the evening light, while a small boat rests quietly on the water, completing this tranquil moment. With acrylic paints, the best way is to paint it from background to foreground. I'll guide you step by step so it becomes easier. One light sketch first. With a pencil, draw a very simple outline. Horizon line where sky meets land. Shape of the lake. Position of the boat. Large trees on left and right. Grass areas in the front. Do not draw details yet, just basic shapes. To paint the sky, first layer. Use a large flat brush. Color mix suggestions, artist palette. Top sky, blue plus little white plus gray. Sunset glow, yellow plus little red. Orange clouds, yellow plus red. Soft clouds, white plus little orange. Technique. Blend colors horizontally. Keep the area around the sun light yellow-white. 3. Paint the distant background. Now paint the far trees and hills. Color recipe. Dark green plus little blue plus little black. Plus orange near the sun. Make them soft and blurry because distant objects look lighter. Six. Paint the trees. Trees on both sides are darker. Mix. Dark green plus brown plus little black. Paint. Thick trunks first, then small brush strokes for leaves. 4. Paint the water. The water reflects the sky. Use orange plus yellow reflections near the sun. Blue plus gray for darker water. Technique. Use horizontal strokes. Leave some light areas for reflection. Seven. Paint the boat. Use a small brush. Colors, gray plus blue. Add darker shade underneath for shadow and water. Five. Paint the grass and field. For the yellow field on the right, yellow plus little orange. Add small touches of green for depth. For grass near the water, dark green plus yellow plus orange. Use short upward brush strokes. 8 final highlights. Add final details. Sparkles bright yellow near the sun. Sparkles light reflections in water. Sparkles small white flowers in the grass. Sparkles thin light strokes on grass for sunlight. White heavy check mark, important acrylic tip. Paint light colors first for sky. Use mid-tones for trees and grass. Acrylic dries fast, so work quickly when blending.